After every halving, it takes about 150 days to 200 days for the market to have a significant increase to the upside. We've seen that the halving for 2024 have actually happened last week, which is very significant, and since then we've seen a little increase in the price of BTC. So what are we expecting right now in price, as we've seen a gradual increase in the price of Bitcoin and other altcoins? That is what I'll be talking about in today's video. So watch this very video to the very end. Support the channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos, educational content, and technical analysis. Right here on the Bitcoin chart, the halving happened last week, and after the halving we see a significant increase right here on the Bitcoin price, and this is very significant. Now, one thing we must have to know is that from history, markets always move significantly to the upside within 150 to 200 days. This may be different for this very halving, owing to the fact that there are a lot of events that have happened in the crypto space, especially for that of the Bitcoin ETF approval, which is a very new thing in the market, and have actually changed the narrative about what we have seen in the market right now. So what I am expecting on the chart for this very one-day chart Bitcoin is for the market to continue this movement upward. I'm not saying the market will move aggressively, but a little movement is required upward on the Bitcoin one-day chart for us to see that very aggressive move to the upside. That is a significant move. We must have to see this very level of resistance break in the market right at this very point. So this very level must break for us to see that very aggressive bullish move to the upside. Except that then the market is not going to move that aggressively. So I am expecting a little move upward, just a very little move upward, and then market is going to come back down, obeying what we are seeing on the 1 week chart. Now, if you come back to the 4-hour chart, something very important right here they need to pay attention to on the short term. You discover that the Bitcoin price have been moving upward a little bit after the halving last week, and up to this very point. This very area is very significant right now and have a great impact on the Bitcoin price. If you look at it from history, we've seen that this very area is an important supply in the market. Market come back down here significantly, and also at this very point, the market come back down significantly. If you draw this out, you discover that at this very point is where the market is right now. From this very area to this very point, so we're seeing the market entering into and having rejection from at this very point. So this is very important right now. I am expecting that from here, market should come back down for a good retracement before the market is going to go up again. So for the immediate short term on the Bitcoin 4-hour chart, don't expect this market to move aggressively. The possibility is there, but for me, I am looking at the market ease up a little bit to the downside. Then the market is going to move up again, because if you look at it, market has been moving upward from here, retrace, move a little bit, creation of a new high, retrace, and then move a little bit again higher than the previous high, and then market is going to retrace significantly to this very area before we see that very move upward. So this is very significant. This is what you need to pay attention to right now on the Bitcoin chart. So on the immediate short term, expect the market from this very area where the market is right now to move back to the downside for a nice correction of this entire impulsive move. Market have to correct before the next move upward. This is what I am expecting right now on the Bitcoin price. Like I said, it takes about 150 days to 200 days before we see that very long anticipated bull market with aggressive bullish candle to the upside to happen. But that might be different for this very bull run, because a lot of things has happened in the crypto space this very season. So this is very important, guys. Pay attention to the market coming back down on the 4-hour chart for the immediate short time before the next move upward. That is very important and a key takeaway in today's videos. Please support the channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more videos like this. And if you've not registered on Binance OKX, KuCoin, and Bybit. When you use the affiliate link down below, you claim all the bonuses attached to all of them. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.